Hey guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you Magpie's latest release. These are the new Magpie forms. Look at how amazing they are. I've never seen such beautiful forms in my life. These forms are amazing. I've been using them for a bit on my clients and I have just broken a nail myself, so I'm just going to show you quickly how I put this on. I'm not going to show you actually how to sculpt an extension using these. If you're going to be sculpting extensions, then you do really need to get yourself booked onto a training course. With that being said, I'm just going to leave the education link at the bottom of the screen there. If you haven't been on any courses with Magpie Beauty, I highly recommend that you guys get yourself onto one. If you're a new tech or if you're an old tech, everyone can benefit from these courses. We have manicure, gel, bronze, silver and gold nail art on offer at the moment. But yeah, keep your eyes peeled. If you let your nearest one know if you're interested in education, they'll keep you posted with any upcoming dates they've got and any courses that they have available. So let me show you these guys. Sarah posted these on the Facebook group last night. If you're not part of that, definitely join it. It's just Magpie Beauty in brackets Magpie Glitter. There you'll see all the latest releases going up online for you guys to buy very, very shortly. So just hang fire and keep your eyes peeled on the page. I just can't get over how beautiful they look. I think majority of forms, they just don't look that nice, but so professional, so pretty, nice and shiny. And it's got all the Magpie logo goodness on it. It matches your apron. If you guys don't have an apron, then these are available online as well. So super, super sticky, super thin, and super flexible as well. So what you're gonna do with these guys is middle section pops out like that, and as Sarah popped on the group last night, it's an amazing little feature. Oh, it's sticking everywhere. I wonder if I'll be able to do this on camera. Put me to the test. So it pops up from the back, and then you can. I'm not gonna be able to do this. Whoa! Oh, almost. Amazing. So it just fits securely like that, and I did that no problem, and that was back to front and upside down and all sorts. So these will manage perfectly. So that's just going to give you an extra bit of strength at the back. I love sculpting extensions. It's my favourite way to build an extension, but so many people are really scared to do it. They find it so fiddly and pernickety, but I love it. So you've got the two tabs. These are like the butterfly tabs. This is going to make sure that your extensions are going nowhere. So I'm just going to pop this on my nail. It's my wrong hand as well, so excuse this. Everything's a lot more difficult with your wrong hand, of course. They are so comfy as well. Just making sure you've got that all nice and secure. So that is how it looks on the nail. You can leave these open or you can close them up. It is up to yourself. The best thing, well, I say the best thing, there's loads of good things about these forms. They are perfect in my eyes. Number one, they are super sticky. The worst thing about sculpting is sculpting using forms, well, using bad forms, is that they will not stay in place. Sometimes if you'll put all your forms on and then you'll go to apply your product and the forms are starting peeling before you've even gotten anything on the nail. Obviously, if you've put it on secure, you've put it on the right way, you spent a good time making sure that all your side walls are in check, following that line, and then it starts slipping away. Total nightmare. Clients can get really sweaty hands sometimes, and that can make it sweat. If your forms make it sweat, make it slip. So if your forms aren't sticky enough, it's a huge no-no, and it's just gonna make sculpting your extensions a lot harder than it should be. These guys, however, are not going anywhere. Let me just, like, I am really, really shaking this. It hasn't even moved, okay? Hasn't even moved. That is how sticky these guys are. Look, I'm an absolute idiot doing this, but you know, this is what YouTube videos are for. You've got to do the wear and tear tests. So yeah, totally secure, totally stuck on. They're not moving anywhere. They're also nice and slim. A problem that I've had with forms in the past is they're slightly wider, like you see how this is just coming straight underneath my nail. It's not going right out here. If you have wider forms, then you can't help but sometimes put product where the form is, and then you get nails that are kind of starting like this and then they're going out and they're coming in. It can be super hard to correct this, but with Magpie's forms, because it's so slim, you are forced to create a nice slim nail. Now this doesn't mean that you can't apply these forms to bigger fingers. You definitely can. They'll fit any shape of nail. They're adaptable, and they've got all the numbers as well and the guide marks so that you can get all your nails the same. I just love them so much. I can't wait for you guys to get your hands on them. Really nice C curve as well. Can y'all see that? So they're going to be released super soon online. If you guys keep your eyes peeled on the Facebook page, then Sarah will do a post when they get released. You get 500 in this reel, so plenty to keep you going. What else I need to update you guys on? The beauty show, the Scottish Beauty Show was last weekend. Thank you so much everyone who came to see us. We had a fantastic few days. It was really nice to meet you guys. It was absolute chrome madness. I've never done so much chroming in one day in my life, but if you guys have not tried the new chromes, the iconic chromes, you need to get your hands on them. They're the best chromes I've ever used. So many of you guys at the show were saying that you've been struggling with chromes, you've been put off because you've been using bad chromes, and then as soon as you've seen the Magpies, you're like, yes, finally a chrome that works. Chroming is easy if you know how and if you're using the right products. Same with sculpting. If you're using the correct tools, if you've been shown how to use the correct tools correctly, then your nail life is going to be a lot easier. So if you are struggling with chromes, definitely get yourself booked onto the Silver Nail Art course. We go into great detail about chroming as well as loads of other techniques and applications for different products on that course. Magpie's next beauty show is in Birmingham. Let me check dates for that. Yeah, beauty show Birmingham is the Sunday the 19th and Monday the 20th of May. Magpie's going to be there, stands are going to be there, there'll be show offers. You'll be able to get your hands on all the gels, all the new products, get to meet the team. Educators will be there if you want to see any demos. I think that's it. I just wanted to show you guys how fantastic these forms are. Still on. Thanks so much for watching guys, and I'll hopefully see you in the next video. Bye!